Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use gong.io, which is a revenue intelligence platform that automatically captures sale conversations, analyze them with AI, and gives your team actionable insights. And I'll be giving you my honest review at the end of this video. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss any of the key takeaways. Now, if you want to try Gong, you can just check out the affiliate link in the description for a possible offer. It won't cost you extra, and there could be some added perks when you sign up here. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official website of Gong, which is gong.io. Here you will see the prompt that says the #1 AI platform for revenue teams. So before hopping on how you can book a demo with them and get started with their platform, we need to briefly understand what is gong.io exactly. So as I've told you earlier, gong.io is a revenue intelligence platform that is built to unify and analyze all the customer facing interactions like calls, emails, and meetings so that your team understands what is really happening in the conversations. It uses the advanced AI to turn these interactions into insight, spotting the deal risks, coaching opportunities, and pipeline the trends without your team having to take the notes or log manually. Essentially, it automates the data that you need to win the deals without the manual busy work. So once you come here, if you hover over to the platform section or the solution section here in the top, you will see all of the key features that the platform provides. So first of all, you are going to get the option of a conversation capture and analysis. So with the help of this particular platform, you will be able to record and transcribe the calls, meetings, emails across the tools like Zoom, Teams, and your email system. It turns the speech into text, identifies the key topics, talk ratios, objections, and keywords in each interaction. Then we have the deal health tracking. So using those insights, Gong highlights which deals are at risk and why. It tracks buyers' sentiment, talk time balance, competitor mentions, and flags what needs attention before deals slip. You will also get the AI forecasting and pipeline visibility. So Gong's AI predicts which deals are likely to close and which are in danger. So delivering most accurate forecasts, it surfaces opportunities and helps teams focus on what moves the needle. Then you are also going to get the sales coaching and playbooks. So you can review top performing reps, calls, and share winning talk track across the team. Gong identifies effective behaviors and helps scale them through coaching, replay the links, and structured feedback. These are automated assistants that monitor your pipeline and take actions like adjusting the deal stages, promoting the follow-up tasks, and calling attention to stalled the conversations. It is also going to give you the integrations and security features. So it is going to connect to the CRMs, calendars, Slack, email, and more, syncing your data across the stack. It also meets enterprise grade security standards so that your revenue insights stay protected. So getting started with them is not very straightforward, I would say, because once you come here on their page, you won't be able to see any of the sign up option. It is because you will have to first of all book a demo with them. So in order to do so, click on the option of book a demo in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to provide your work email. You won't be able to get it on your regular email addresses. So you need to provide your work email here that has a particular domain. Then you can click on the option of book your demo. So once you do this, you will be assigned a representative from them with whom you can basically hop on a call. They will explain more features about Gong, but you can expect from the platform. Then you can select which of the features you want for your business. Then they are going to basically create a specific plan for you. You need to subscribe to that plan and get your sign-in credentials. So once you have those, simply click on the option of sign in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you can sign in here with the help of your email address, your Google account, etc. And then you can basically access the Gong's dashboard. So here inside your dashboard, you will be able to connect your account with CRM, calendar, video conferencing tools, etc. You will be able to basically invite your team here, configure recording, start reviewing the interactions. You will get your dashboard here. As you can see, they have also the integration of AI here. If I talk about the pricing, when you click on the option of pricing here in the top, you will see that it is going to ask how big is your team. So you can select it based on your own business. Then you can select the niche of your business. After that, you need to press continue. Now, as you can see, instead of showing you the pricing, it is asking you to provide the work email, because their pricing is not actually mentioned here on their website. It is basically specifically designed for yourself. So based on your features, based on the requirements of your company, they are going to basically create a specific plan for yourself. But all in all, I could say that the pricing can range between $1,300 to $1,600 per user per year, with the discount available as the user count increase. Now here, if I talk about what I really liked about this platform, I would like to say that it captures and analyzes all of the interactions automatically. So there is no manual notes or tagging needed. It reveals deal health and coaching insights that drive measurable improvements. It is great for leaders who need accurate forecasts and real-time visibility. It is also going to give you world-class integrations and security for enterprise usage. If I talk about the cons, I would like to mention their pricing. The platform has high cost, and the platform fees, the licensing and the onboarding can be a significant investment for you. It requires dedicated revenue operations support to implement it effectively. The complexity can add a steep learning curve for the teams that are new to the conversion analytics. So in my final thought, I would like to say that if your team runs on sale conversations and you want data backed insights, accurate forecastings, and scalable coaching, Gong.io is a market leader that delivers. Yes, it is not cheap and it takes effort to set up, but for organizations that are serious about revenue performance, it can be game changing. So that's wrap up this Gong.io tutorial and review. If you have found this video useful, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also press the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future tutorial and review videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.